On the way to City Events Place for the Tanduay Calendar Girl, which stars Miss Ellen Adarna. Okay, we're now here at Event City Place and we are here for the Tanduay 2017 calendar big reveal. Okay, we're here at the registration area. Reveal 2017 calendar. Ito po yung pinakamabait na vlogger sa buong mundo, ang pambansang vlogger, si Ros Del Rosario. Vlogger. Hello, Jude. Hello, Mami Jo.
Oh, Mami Jo.
Mami Jo. Hello.
Hello.
Ay, sorry. Hindi ko kita. Nasa mga pala. Oh, kilala nyo ba kung sino yan? Hey, let's go inside. Medyo maaga pa tayo. Nakaset up na yung mga crew.
White man. It's time to meet our new calendar girl, Miss Ellen Adarna.
Miss Ellen Adarna. The microphone is yours, Ellen. Go ahead, say hi.
Hello, good evening everyone, and thank you all for coming. Yeah, I'm so nervous. Okay, good evening. Hello!
Since you're actually the chosen one, you're now, of course, you have the right to occupy the throne.
Should I sit?
Yes, you go ahead. Sit down. The 2017 calendar girl of Tanduay. And I'm sure you guys are itching to ask her some questions.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
So how do you feel to be, again, looking calendar girl?
Of course, happy, no words, but other than happy, it all boils down to being happy and overwhelmed and grateful and very thankful.
We all know that you came from another...
Tumambling ako. Hindi ko alam, sila yung pumili sa akin. And also kasi, I think nakikita talaga nila na umiinom ako ng Tanduay. Alam naman ng lahat, mahilig ako uminom. And sa mga pictures ko on social media, sometimes may Tanduay dyan.
Yes.
Nakikita nila, and I think that's the reason why they chose me, because they know that I am a Tanduay drinker.
Okay.
Ask ko lang kung ano yung naging preparations mo dun sa pictorial ng calendar ng Tanduay. Because we all know, may mga news before, a couple of days ago, na nag-pass out ka sa isang pictorial mo.
Well, that's how I really prepare for a shoot. I work out, I diet, and I do what bodybuilders do. I dehydrate 3 days before the shoot. That's what I did with Tanduay. So yun.
Are you eating right
Hindi ako
now?
nag-pass out sa Tanduay kasi aircon yung set, and yun. Nag-pass out lang ko dun sa FHM kasi mainit. And I dehydrated.
Thank you so much.
Sa lahat ng mga naging posts mo na nakita natin, may naging paborito ka ba? Yung nasa sand, yung nasa bata, paano paborito mo?
Actually, paborito ko yung mirror. Tatlo kami.
Pati yun ang naging sagot mo sa favorite mo. Pati yun ang favorite mo.
Hindi kasi namin in-expect na yun yung outcome, yung result. And then, ang ganda pala. So, yun. Naging favorite. And then, naparami yung shots namin kasi maganda. So, yun. Yun yung favorite.
And since ikaw ang 2017 calendar girl, ano mga abangan ng fans mo sa'yo sa 2017?
2017. I have a show, which is airing now, Laging Lupa. And that's it for now. And Tanduay.
Okay. And parang last question na lang, parang ang extremes, no? Napaka-sexy mo dito sa Tanduay calendar girl. And sa bagong soap, mga bata naman ang kasama mo, wholesome ka doon. Ang extremes nung kaya mong gawin?
I don't know. Tinanggap ko yung project na yun kasi nag-mother role na ako and sanay na ako. Parang okay lang naman magpa-sexy and it's something different. And kontrabida ako dito. So masaya. Masayang laruin yung character.
Looking back, Jeneline Mercado as a Tanduay calendar girl also became top 1 for FHM. And then following Jessie Mendiola for 2016. And then became top 1 then for FHM. I don't want to put pressure, but how are you? How do you feel about it? We just want to know, because looking back, they were top 1 as they became Tanduay calendar girls as well. Or how are you going to prepare for that?
I think I'm just gonna do the normal things that I do. Work out, work hard. If maging number 1 man, then resulta na yon sa mga hard work na ginawa ko. But if hindi, it's okay. I mean, okay lang. But yeah, may pressure, a little bit.
Questions. Hey, talking about the calendar, since ikaw yung 2017 calendar girl, ano yung, what can we look forward to seeing this version of the Tanduay calendar, the 2017 edition of it with Miss Ellen Adarna? Ano yung makikita namin sa calendar?
Well, I don't want to spoil everything, but as you've seen, ang daming layouts, ang daming different themes, and maybe we'll do, for say, Valentine's Day, may pasabog sa Valentine's Day, or summer event, or maybe, for me, maybe encourage or turuan a guy or a man how to approach a girl in a very confident and nice way, I guess. Bottoms up! I dare you guys. Kalalaki ng tao. Okay? Cheers!
Cheers, everybody! For Kankwai and Miss Ellen. Kankwai is the 2017 Calendar Girl.
So, parang wala yung water rate.
201.
And then I passed out after the first layout because of the elements. I wasn't expecting it to be that hot. Kasi every time na may shoot, sanay ako na may aircon. I mean, okay lang.
How long did you pass out?
Maybe an hour.
Okay,
And then David told me to like, i-pack up na natin, if hindi mo kaya, kasi, I mean, this is your life. And like, wait lang, bigyan niyo lang ako ng oras. Give me at least 30 minutes to rest. And then may sugar and everything. And then when I felt better, I think kaya ko. I would wake up every once in a while. And then, I think kaya ko, ituloy na natin to kasi wala na din akong time. That time, if i-pack up namin, di na siya magiging December cover.
Okay.
So, yun.
Buwis-buway ka.
Oo, ang hirap, di ba? Pero okay lang, masaya naman. And yung staff, yung production, the crew, and especially the photographer Mark, was, tinulungan din nila ako. And, yeah, it turned out to be very fun and okay naman. It was an adventure.
Okay. Ellen, ano masasabi mo sa mga netizens na nasya-shock sa sexihan mo sa mga pinopost mo sa social media?
Hindi naman ako sexy. Nagpapasexy lang. Charot.
Ano masasabi mo sa mga reaction nila? Nasya-shock sila sa sexihan mo sa mga pinopost mo?
Wala. I mean, ganito talaga ako eh. I mean, I do what I want to do and, you know, if advice, just do what you want to do also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Christmas, nasan ka? Anong plano mo?
Christmas. I will be in Japan with my family.
Okay.
Are you in Japan again?
Again. Yes, again.
Ano nagustuhan mo sa Japan?
I'm always the people, the culture, and the weather. But yeah, mas sa mga tao. Ang babait nila.
Okay, it's a white Christmas for you.
Yeah, it's Winter Wonderland. I've been to Seco skiing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Isa ito sa pinakamahirap mong shoot. Naramdaman mo dito sa Tanduay.
Mahirap siya kasi we did 12 layouts,
My God.
different setups, and different looks. Mahirap siya, but we did it in less than 7 hours.
Kaya pala.
Kasi ang galing ng team, ang galing ng production, and everyone behind it, and the photographer also.
Ellen, I hope you don't mind, hindi naman natin makakontrol yung mga netizen reaction sa'yo. Ano lang masasabi mo sa, mga speculation about your personal life? Wala akong binanggit, ha?
My personal life. Tanungin na lang siya.
Sino siya?
Siya. My personal life is basta 1+1 because
Okay. It doesn't have to say anything naman. I mean,
yeah.
what you see is what you get.
What you see is what you get. Exactly.
So, you're happy.
God, I am very happy.
Anong Christmas wish na?
Christmas wish? Christmas wish. Christmas wish. Oh. Actually, nothing.
You have everything.
I don't have everything, but I'm happy with what I have right now. I am content with what I have right now. So, I just want to spend time with my family. I don't live with them. So yun, hopefully this Christmas makikita naman kami.
Ellen, mensahe mo sa mga Pinay na gustong maging sexy na gaya mo?
Mahirap maging sexy. Magpa-sexy. It requires a lot of focus and dedication and discipline. Yun lang. It's 3 simple words, but it's so hard to do.
Okay, Langit Lupa, of course. Ellen.
And of course, yeah, Langit Lupa. What about tayo?
Ang role natin ay...
Ako ay isang kontrabida.
Ellen, maganda yung ratings ng pilot niyo.
Oo nga, and maganda din the following days. Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako sa mga support sa Langit Lupa. next week lalabas na ako, sa second week ko lalabas. At magandang story ito about family, about friendship, mostly about friendship.
Okay. Let me just say, Ellen, we've never seen you this beautiful,
Naka-makeup lang ako kasi.
I think blooming ka talaga.
Minsan hindi ako nag-ayos madalas eh.
Pero blooming ka talaga.
Thank you to my glam team, si Mickey at si RJ and Starlight.
Because you have
Ganun ba? I have a happy life. I mean, I have friends who support me, I have my family, and loved ones.
nakakatawa eh.
Details naman tungkol doon sa photoshoot. Sino yung photographer natin?
Martin daw.
Okay. So, yung location nyo, isang location lang yung na yun, yung buong...
Oo. Isang studio lang na malaki and then iba-ibang setup. So, palipat-lipat lang.
Palipat-lipat lang kayo. So, nabanggit mo yung favorite mo, yung tatlo, yung sa salamin ba yun?
Oo, kasi hindi namin in-expect na yun pala yung kinalabasan.
Okay. So, saan ka pinaka-nahirapan?
Nahirapan.
Pare-parehas lang.
Parang mahirap.
Oo. So, yun talaga ang favorite mo. Sige. Thank you, Ellen. Thank you. Selfie.
You all to get a copy of the Tanduay 2017 calendar. And for Tanduay.